Celery is a popular vegetable crop known for its crunchy texture and distinct flavor. It belongs to the Apiaceae family and is cultivated for its stalks, leaves, and seeds. Celery is commonly used in salads, soups, stews, and as a garnish due to its unique taste and versatility. Welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now and don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications on new videos. Land preparation. Choose well-drained, loamy soil with good organic matter content. The pH of the soil should be around 6 to 7. Perform deep plowing and harrowing to create a fine seed bed. Propagation. Celery can be grown from seeds. Seeds are usually started indoors in a seed tray or nursery bed and later transplanted to the main field. Transplanting. Transplant the seedlings when they have developed to 2-3 true leaves. Plant seedlings at a spacing of 6 to 8 inches between plants in rows that are about 24 to 36 inches apart. Water management. Celery requires consistent moisture throughout its growth cycle. Adequate irrigation is essential, but care should be taken to prevent waterlogging. Fertilization. Apply balanced fertilizers rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Sidedress with nitrogen during the growing season to promote healthy stalk growth. Weed control. Regular weeding is crucial to reduce competition for nutrients and water. Mulching can also help suppress weeds and maintain soil moisture. Pest and disease management. Common pests include aphids, celery leaf miners, and caterpillars. Diseases like celery blight and bacterial diseases can also affect the crop. Integrated pest management strategies and disease-resistant varieties can be used to mitigate these issues. Harvesting. Celery is usually ready for harvest in about 85 to 120 days after transplanting. Harvest when the stalks reach a desirable size and have a crisp texture. Use a sharp knife to cut the stalks just above ground level. Conclusion. Celery farming requires careful attention to soil preparation, irrigation, fertilization, pest management, and post-harvest practices. By following best practices, farmers can cultivate high-quality celery crops that meet consumer demands for both taste and nutrition. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.